If you want to turn on or turn off your developer options on OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our About Device section. There it is. Here, find your version and choose your version number. So tap on it 7 times to activate your developer options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we got a pop-up message that we're a developer. So to find it, we have to go back to our system and update. And here we should find our developer options. Here they are under your repair mode. So here you can find a lot of different options. I recommend you going through them by yourself and deciding what you need or what you don't need. When you're done with it and you want to close this menu, simply tap on the switch, press restart. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.